This content has been deemed inappropriate for children under 13. Viewer discretion is advised. This is for adults only. Adult collectibles. What's up, guys? It's ZacJacDan back with another Every Marvel Legends video. This time we're talking about every Marvel Unlimited subscription. Marvel Legends. So you've had her from 2013 to 2019, it looks like, that they've given us a figure. The first one was Ultron Gold, just a repainted version of that guy. Next one they gave us was the Rocket Raccoon, and again another repaint of a Build-A-Figure. The third one was Rescue. This is a brand new mold. Some Pepper Potts as Rescue. Then we had the repainted of Captain Marvel. This time she's in a shield costume. Tony Stark. This is a brand new head sculpt, but the body itself was a repaint, of course. Punisher Venom, another repaint. And this year's announcement is the Terror Inc. Deadpool from Mercs for Money. Of course, another repaint from the Juggernaut Build-A-Figure Waves Deadpool. So here's all of them loose, so you can compare them all. And here they all are with their packaging. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up, notification bell so you're aware of any new videos that I have, notification bell, all that good stuff. Subscribe to the channel. And I will talk to you guys later.